We gon' burn it down.
I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.
Hi Merbabies! Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I told you I'll be back and I'm here. Thank you so much for the amazing support. I'm trying my best to keep up with you guys and hopefully you guys would enjoy. So this is a look that I did, whipped up with for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Makeup! I love makeup. It looks so good. Remember to subscribe to my channel, comment this video, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. It's right here, honey. I'm more active over there, so go follow me. I'm going to be using the Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics. Oh my god! I've been dying to use this for a while, honey. Oh my god, Grandpa, just open the damn palette. Look at them colors, honey. Look at them colors. I know I'm so late in the game, but whatever. Gorgeous colors with the top, and you're just gonna. Oh, I look so cool. I don't know, I already, I feel like I already did this look. Whatever. Let it hurt nobody, no more. Honey. Okay, next color. Yuck. Look at how messy it gets. Ew. Anyway, the next color we're gonna do. Oh, how the heck do you pronounce that name? Obsidian. Oh, Obsidian. I'm gonna be using the color Obsidian. I'm probably gonna cut that out. I wasn't recording. Oh my god. I was explaining what I did to myself. And, ew, that sounds so dirty. Okay, skip that. Anyways, I just cut the crease way too far. I'm trying something new. Something really new. So hopefully it works out. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I can't talk. I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back again. Okay, and then yeah. Okay, okay. Oh my god, but it looks cute, right? I changed my mind. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it on camera. What's this? Okay, I can't. I'll be right back, okay guys? This is really, it's like, it's my life, you know? You just don't want to mess up your eyeliner, so I'm just gonna do it off camera, so I'll be right back. Using my favorite foundation. Let me see how much I have, because these are expensive. Okay, that's still a lot. Yep, okay. See, it's still a lot. So I'm just going to apply, why do I look so orange? And bound that booty, girl. And I'm gonna basically sculpt my face real hardcore because I miss doing that, and I woke up really early doing this. I cut off my jawline, which I need to because I am a boy. Don't kill me. Basically, I like to mix my highlighters to a really good luminosity. Oh my god, I want more, honey. Oh, see that? Wow. Ouch. Just gonna smoke out the wing liner. Texting me and stuff while I'm filming a video. Hi! I'm back! Full glam. Yeah, howdy, how you like it? I think I look pretty good. But I just don't really like the eyes just because I'm so used to with the round cut crease, not like different cut crease, but I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy this small little tutorial / chit chat with me, little chit chat video. It seems like you guys really like this type of videos, so here it is. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you always. Suhhhlay and stay fiece. Change the lip color just because I think it suits more. It looks more nicer with black lips. So I changed it up. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Love you.